Hey all, I'm Tyler, your host from CryptoWhaleTrading, back again with a new video. In today's video, we will be discussing about Bitcoin price trend and where it is going. Is it in uptrend or is it in downtrend? And what is the future of the price according to my study and my research? So moving forward, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications of all my new YouTube videos, and also don't forget to like my video surely. So here is the price chart of Bitcoin, and as you can see I have prepared some key levels for Bitcoin from where it can move in the uptrend and from where it can move in the downtrend. So, moving further, I would like to discuss many things in depth in this video about the Bitcoin price, as there are many hoax in the market and many of the people are saying that it will go to 8,900, it will fill up the CME futures gap and it will go to 9,600, 500 and so on. There are many people saying many different things. So I would like to end it all. There is no such thing, there is nothing to worry about. As I can see, and according to my analysis, price is currently floating around 10,300 and 10,400 here. Where is my, so as you can see, price is currently very much stable at 10,300 and 400, and price is floating between the bracket of 10,000 and 10,800. So this is the area where the price and BTC flow is safe. It will not go any lower or it will not go in the uptrend as well. For going into uptrend again, Bitcoin price needs to break the level of 10,800 and stabilize itself somewhere around 11,100, 11,000 or 10,800. If the price stabilizes around 10,800 level or 11,100 level, then you can expect a rally coming in and taking the price straightly to 12,500 or 12,400. If the price is floating between 10,800 and 10,000 continually, please don't expect that price will go in uptrend and you will get much gains and price can go up to 12,000 or 12,500 or 13,000 as people are saying. It is not a day thing or it is not a week thing. According to me, till the end of 2020, price would reach around 13,000 or 13,500 easily. But for now, for some upcoming weeks, it is not like that price would be going in a week or 2 week or 3 week to 12,500 or 13,000. According to me, price would stabilize around 11,000, 11,500 or 11,100 according to me. So as we can see, I have mentioned three key levels in the uptrend as well and in the downtrend as well. So in the downtrend, first key level is 10,000 mark. If the price breaks this 10,000 mark and it stabilizes around 10,000 or 9,900 or 9,800, then it will surely reach this time to 9,500 or 9,600 to this key point. Here at 9,500 and 9,600, there is a very strong support. I don't think BTC price can break below this point at in any case. So you don't need to worry that it will go below 9,600 or 9,500 max, as many of the people in the market are saying that it can reach up to 8,500, 8,900 if it falls, if it goes in downtrend. These are all hoax. Don't get worried about all these things. It is not going to happen. According to me, according to my analysis and my study, price will move and float around 10,000 and 10,800 for like 8 to 9 days more, and then it will try to break again over 10,800 and 11,100. Once the price is floating around 11,100 and stabilizes over 11,100 and 11,100, over 11,100 or 11,100 exactly, then we can think that it can go in the uptrend and slowly it can move to the levels of 12,400 or 12,600, because we have a very strong support at 12,400 in the uptrend, and in the downtrend we have a very strong support which cannot break in the coming months is 8,900 in the downtrend. So the lowest can be 8,900, and for now, for the October month which is coming, 12,400 or 12,500 can be max. So the hopes is coming out that price is again moving down and it will fill up the CME futures gap at 9,600 and 9,500. It is not a thing. Please don't fall in these hoax and don't sell your stocks and hurry and make a loss to yourself. Price is pretty much consolidating, as it is a 12-hour candle. Each candle is per 12 hours, so you can see price is pretty much consolidating here around 10,300 and 10,400, and in the upcoming weeks also I don't think price will move above 11,100 or below 10,000. The maximum level for the next few weeks, like 1 week or 2 week, I think price will stabilize above 10,800 and below 11,100 or around 11,100. It is a basic point where BTC will stabilize its price before going into a massive rally again to 12,500 or above 13,000 or 13,500. But that will eventually happen. It will not happen in a day, or some of the people I have heard on Twitter, on YouTube, saying that a rally is coming, and when the rally kicks in, a multi-millennial rally, and it will take the price to 15,000, 14,000, 16,000. It is not going to happen. Write it on your paper. I am saying that it will not happen. The max price I am expecting at the end of the year is 13,500 or maximum 14,000 at the end of the year 2020. In 2021 we will discuss about it more, that where the price can go, but in 2020 I don't think price could reach to 15,000 or 17,000 or 16,000 as people are saying. It is a hoax. Please don't fall for it. You will just block your money and just sit around and waiting for the rally to come. Rally will come, surely come, but it will take the price to 12,500 or 13,000, and it will stabilize the price around 13,000, 12,500 or 13,500 at max, or max at 14,000 according to me by the end of the year. But for now, in the upcoming weeks, in the upcoming days, like 10 days or 15 days or 20 days, price will move in the uptrend only, and it will not break this key level and strong support at $10,000. So this is the very strong support, $10,000, as we have seen in the past. Bitcoin price was not able to break this level and go down to 9,600. 9,800 was the lowest where Bitcoin has reached, but this time prices pretty much very strongly consolidating around 10,400 and 10,300. So price will move in the uptrend only after this consolidation ends. So according to me, within 2 days or 3 days, price will start moving up and will break 10,800 and would stabilize somewhere around 11,000, 11,100 or 10,900, and it will be stable there for some more few days, and then we will see that we will again discuss about it, that where the price can go according to the candle formation. As of now, according to the candle formation, according to my analysis and my study, I think price will float between 10,000 and 10,800 dollars and will stay in this area and consolidate itself, and then price will break to 11,100 or 200 and stabilize there, and then a big massive move will be taken from 11,100 and 11,200 to directly to 12,500 or 13,000. So if the price consolidates over 11,100 for few days, and it consolidates pretty strong over here, over this area, then you can think that price is going to move in an instant in the coming weeks to 12,500. If it touches the 11,100 mark and in some hours or in a day it again falls down, then again it will float between 10,000 and 10,800, because here when 3-4 times in this month BTC price has tried to break 11,100 mark, and as it touches 11,100 mark it gets ejected from over there. So 11,100 is the key level. BTC has to break this point and consolidate its price over 11,100 for some days, for 3-4-5 days, even a week. Then you can think of a bigger move from Bitcoin to 12,500, 13,000 or 13,500. But please don't fall in hoax, any kind of hoax in the market, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, or anywhere you are following many people that the price in this year of 2020 it will go to 18,000, 20,000 or 30,000. I have been following many influencers and they are saying that price can go up to $30,000 of Bitcoin by the end of the year. It is practically not possible, and according to my analysis it will not happen. So ending the video, I would like to say, please note down these key support levels in the downtrend and in the uptrend. In the uptrend, the first support level is $10,800 for the Bitcoin. If it breaks $10,800 and consolidates, it will consolidate around 11,000 and 11,100, and this is the very strong level. If BTC price is able to consolidate around 11,100 and consolidate very strongly here, then you can see a big move coming in the coming few weeks. And if it falls below 10,000, then you can see the CME futures gap to be filled up. But it is not necessary every time that every currency or anywhere you are trading you must know that CME futures gap is not that important, and it is not necessary to fill the CME futures gap every time. So I don't think BTC would be falling below $10,000 level and filling the CME futures gap, and I only think that it will go from 10,200 or 10,300 where the price is currently to in the uptrend only, and it will in the coming few days it will break 10,800 level and consolidate somewhere around here, around 11,000, 11,100, 11,200 or 10,900, and it will be stable here, moving $300-400 up and down, up and down, up and down. But if it consolidates over 11,100 to 11,200 or 300 and strongly consolidates over this area, so you can think of a bigger move from Bitcoin to directly to 12,500 or 13,000 or 13,500. So it will be a good area and a good move from Bitcoin. And at the end of 2020, my price prediction maximum would be $14,000 or around $14,000. Not more than that, not less than that, but around 14,000, 14,300 or 13,800, 900 or 14,000, whatever it will be. But I don't think BTC will move over 14,000 or 14,500 at max in this year. So I would like to put an end to all the rumors going on around on the internet, on the Twitter, on anywhere, any social platform. I have done a pretty good research in the key trend levels. This is the floating area, 10,000 to 10,800. Note down these critical levels in the downtrend and in the uptrend. This will help you in future trades, and these are the final points according to my study and my research. So I'm Tyler, your host. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like my video. For more technical analysis, I will be coming with more beautiful videos in the future. And always remember, it's a disclaimer for this video and for my every video as well. I have done my own research and my own study. I'm not a authorized financial advisor from any of the financial institutions. Please do your own study before investing. This is for educational purposes, and I'm not responsible for any losses you incur in your trades. If you want trade signals, you can join our VIP Telegram channel, and process to join the VIP Telegram channel is mentioned in the video description. And also please join our free Telegram channel, link would be available in the video description. And also follow me on Twitter, and link for my Twitter account is also mentioned in the video description. Signing off, I'm Tyler, your host from CryptoWhaleTrading. Have a nice day. Thank you.